Step into the 2011 Mazda 3. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include stability control, privacy tinted glass, external temperature display, intermittent window wipers, passenger airbag, interior air filtration, power windows with 1 touch, and 148 horsepower. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.